Hello everybody, my name is Sinan and welcome to the first episode of The Clever Millionaire in 2022. Also, I want to take a minute to thank all of my subscribers for watching my videos in 2021, and I want to wish you guys a happy new year. Hopefully 2022 is the year that a lot of you guys make that Lambo money, make that mansion money, and pretty much retire from your 9-to-5 jobs. 2021 was absolutely insane. We saw a lot of coins go to the moon and back. And hopefully 2022 is even bigger and we make that life-changing money. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys some of my favorite coins for 2022. This is a big list, so I will be breaking it down into 5 different categories. Category 1 is low cap gems. As you guys know, I'm a big fan of low cap gems simply because they have a lot of potential to make us massive gains. Bitcoin can probably do a 1x, 2x. These low cap gems can 10x, 50x, and possibly even 100x. Obviously, none of this is financial advice, so make sure you do your own research before you invest in any of these projects. The second category is DeFi. I believe DeFi is going to have a huge 2022. With more regulations being introduced, I believe DeFi projects are going to start taking off this year. Category number 3 are my layer 1 picks and ISO 2022. The 2 projects that I picked are on both lists. That is why I'm combining it all into one category. And category number 4 are my top exchange coins. And finally, category number 5 are my large cap coins. These coins are well established, they have a huge following, and they're pretty much the industry leaders in their niches. So stay tuned for each category. And finally, at the end of this video, I will share with you guys my number 1 pick for 2022. This one is on the safe side, but I believe it is going to have an amazing 2022. So make sure you watch the video until the very end. And as always, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and now let me share my picks for 2022. So here are the 5 low cap gems that I'm betting on in 2022. The first low cap gem is called Safe Haven. Right now it is under half a penny. It is up over 5% on the day. But you have probably heard me talk about this project plenty of times in 2021. But I believe 2022 is going to be an even bigger year for Safe Haven. The second one is Lossless. Right now it is priced under $1. It is up almost 6% on the day. But in my opinion, the utility that Lossless provides is definitely needed in the space. We have seen a lot of scams in 2021, a lot of hacks, and millions of dollars stolen and gone forever. But Lossless can protect these tokens and funds from being hacked and stolen. So I believe Lossless is going to have a huge 2022. The third low cap gem is Paribus, PBX. Right now it is just over 2 cents and it is up almost 15% on the day. Paribus launched 4 months ago. It is a project that will be in the Cardano ecosystem, and right now they are releasing a lot of updates. That is why the coin has been pumping over the last month or so. And you have probably seen a lot of TikToks and a lot of shorts that I have made pretty much tracking the progress of Paribus. But right now the market cap is just under 14 million. But I believe this project can easily do a 10x or a 20x in 2022. With such low market cap, the sky's the limit for Paribus. Low cap gem number 4 is Tribe 1, aka Haka. Right now it is 17 cents. So Tribe 1 is a DeFi play, NFT play, crypto lending play, all in one coin. And I believe it is going to have a huge 2022. And the final pick is Constellation. This one does have a big market cap, but I believe it is still small compared to all the other large cap coins out there. And right now it is priced at 20 cents. But I believe in 2022, it can easily go over $1 per coin. And now I will show you my top 2 DeFi plays. Number 1 is Polkastarter. I believe the Polkadot ecosystem is going to see a lot of growth in 2022. And Polkastarter is perfectly positioned to have massive growth. Also, the market cap is very low as well, and the utility that it provides is definitely needed in the space. PokerStarter is a DeFi platform that allows you to invest in brand new projects in the Polkadot ecosystem. So if you are trying to get on the whitelist, if you are trying to be one of the first people to invest in a brand new project, check out PokerStarter. My second DeFi pick is Curve DAO token. Personally, I do not own any as I make this video, but I will definitely be buying some for 2022. I believe it is going to have a huge year. DeFi, in my opinion, is going to take off, and Curve DAO token will definitely be in a great position to make massive gains. With Curve, you are able to earn amazing yields on your stable coins. So if you want to make some passive income, check out Curve and their ecosystem. And now I will share with you my top 2 exchange tokens for 2022. And number 1 should be no surprise. It is the KuCoin Exchange token. I invested in this one early and I have already made a 10x on my money. But I believe the KuCoin Exchange is one of the best exchanges out there, and it will continue to see massive growth in 2022. And hopefully their token continues to go even higher. Also, if you hold the KuCoin Exchange token in your KuCoin account, you'll be earning free passive income every single day. So check out that KuCoin link in the description box below. And now let's talk about my second pick, and it is CRO, or the Crypto.com token. Crypto.com has had a huge year in 2021. They purchased the arena, they released a bunch of amazing debit cards, and a ton of other awesome features. I believe in 2022, this exchange is going to grow even bigger. Personally, I do not use them simply because KuCoin provides everything I really need. I see Crypto.com making even bigger moves in 2022. Maybe they're going to purchase a skyscraper somewhere. Their marketing is definitely on point, and I think it is going to pay off big in 2022. And now let's talk about the Layer 1 plays / ISO 2022. Both of the coins that I have picked fall into both categories. Both of them are Layer 1s and on the ISO list. The first one is Algorand. I am very, very bullish on Algorand, and I do currently hold a nice size position in this coin. I believe a lot of people are sleeping on Algo, and I think in 2022, it is going to be one of the best performers on the ISO list. My second pick is IOTA. Recently, IOTA made a big announcement that they have finally released staking for IOTA. So if you stake your IOTA, you'll be able to receive Shimmer and Assembly Network tokens. I believe both of these are going to be great plays as well. As of right now, I do not have a position in IOTA, but I will definitely be purchasing some, and I will definitely be staking it. So do not be surprised if in a week or so you see a video on my channel, I just invested 10,000 in IOTA or something similar. It is definitely coming. And now I will share my top 5 large market cap coins for 2022. I will simply list these because everyone already knows about them. They are household names, and I believe everyone should have some of these in their crypto portfolio. Number 1 is Ethereum. Number 2 is Uniswap. Number 3 is Polkadot. Number 4 is BNB. And number 5 is Solana. So those are pretty much my 5 blue chip plays for this year. They are very safe. They have huge followings, a bunch of development, and I believe they're going to have a great year in 2022. And if you made it till the end of this video, I appreciate you. And now here's my favorite play for 2022, and it is Chainlink. I believe Chainlink is finally going to get the credit that it deserves. Also, in 2022, they plan on releasing staking, and as soon as that is released, I will definitely be staking all of my Chainlink. Right now, it is one of my top 5 positions, and I believe 2022 is going to be a great year for Link. Also, people are definitely sleeping on this project. Chainlink provides amazing utility, and I believe people will start realizing that this is an amazing long-term play. So hopefully Chainlink has a huge year in 2022. All right, everybody, that concludes this video. If you made it this far, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know in the comment section below, what are your top picks for 2022? And as always, I appreciate you for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace out.